Exercise Chapter 6 for Class 5th. Question 1. Tick the correct answer. First question is molecules are tightly packed in. Options are gases, liquids, solids and solution. Its answer is solids. Children, we have studied in solids the molecules are very tightly packed and there is no space in between the molecules. Come to question number 2. The process by which a liquid changes to its solid form is called. The process by which a liquid changes to its solid form. The options are evaporation, condensation, melting, freezing. Its answer is freezing. Its answer is freezing. Because freezing is a process in which liquid changes to solid form. Come to question number 3. An ice cream kept in a room for some time changes to liquid. This is an example of. Options are evaporation, condensation, melting and freezing. Children, its answer is melting because the ice cream melt to form the liquid. Now come to question B. Write P for physical change and C for chemical change. Children, we have to select what are these changes, either physical or chemical. Now come to first question. Burning of paper. Burning of paper, this is a chemical change. Blooming of a flower. Blooming of a flower, this is also chemical change. Generally, chemical changes are irreversible. Once the change has taken place, it cannot be reversed. Come to third, tearing of paper. It is a physical change. Tearing of paper is a physical change. Next is melting of wax. Wax melt to form the liquid wax. So it is the state change. So it is a physical change. Melting of wax is also physical change. Fifth is rusting of iron nail. When the iron nail is rusted, then the rusted iron nail, so this is somewhat different from the iron nail. So it is a chemical change. So it is a chemical change. Question 6. Curdling of milk. When the milk sour or curdling take place, then it is a chemical change because the curdled milk is different from the original milk. Seventh is baking of a cake. When the cake is baked by some batter, then this is a chemical change. Now next is cutting of an apple. When the apple is cut into pieces, then pieces remain apple. There is no change. So it is a physical change. Children, you can easily identify what type of change these are if you remember the facts about the physical and chemical changes. Come to question C. Write T for true and F for false statement. First statement is molecules of a matter cannot be divided further. This statement is false because molecules of matter, so they can be divided into atoms. Okay, and atoms are the smallest particle of matter. Second is kerosene in water is an example of miscible liquid. When kerosene and water are mixed, so this shows miscible liquid. This statement is again false because they are immiscible liquid. Third is the forces of attraction in gaseous molecules are very weak. This statement is true because in gases the molecules are or the particles are loosely arranged. They are at a distance and so their force of attraction is very weak. Now children, come to question D. Fill in the blanks. First is dash change is a temporary change while in permanent change dash of substance changes. In the first blank comes physical change. Physical change is a temporary change while in permanent change dash of the substance means chemical property of the substance changes, or you can say composition of the substance changes. Question 2. A dash has no definite shape but takes the shape of the container. Its answer is liquid. A liquid has no definite shape but takes the shape of the container. Question 3. A dash has neither any shape nor a definite volume. Its answer is gas. Gas has neither any shape nor a definite volume. Now come to question E. Give two examples of liquid in a liquid. Liquid in a liquid solution. Okay. The examples are lemon juice and water, milk and water. Lemon juice and water and milk and water. So these are the two examples of liquid solution. Solid in a liquid. Solid in a liquid means examples are sugar solution, salt solution. So these are the example of solid in liquid solution. Third one is gas in a liquid. Examples are carbon dioxide in cold drink and oxygen in water. Okay, the carbon dioxide, this is dissolved in the cold drink, soft drink, and oxygen, this is dissolved in the water of the river, pond or the water bodies.